Hi, children. Welcome to today's computer lesson titled Input and Output Devices with Their Various Uses. As we learnt from our previous lesson, input is the instructions that we give to the computer, while output is the result that the computer gives back to us. Also, I asked everyone to think about the device you use at home that are similar to computer input and output devices. So, can any of you tell me one or two home devices that are like computer input and output devices? Yes, our TV remote control is an input device that let's continue with today's lesson. We shall discuss the basic physical input-output devices. The basic input devices are keyboard and mouse. 1. Keyboard. We use the keyboard for typing letters. It gives instructions to our computer. That's input. 2. Mouse. We use the mouse to point or select an object in the computer, which is also an input instruction. While the basic output device are monitor and speaker. 1. Monitor. The monitor is an output device that displays the result of our instructions to the computer. The monitor is like our television at home. It can display beautiful objects like Ninja and Gecko from the PJ Masks cartoon. 2. Speaker. The speaker is also an output device, used for listening to audio sounds from the movies or cartoons playing on our computer. There are also some devices that are both input and output devices. They can be used to give instructions to our computer, and they can also give back the instructions we give to the computer. Examples of these types of devices are flash drive and CD-ROM. 1. Flash drive. The flash drive is used to save our files from the computer. It can be used to send flash to our computers too. So it's both an input-output device. 2. CD-ROM. It's also used to save information from the computer, and it can also be used to send information to the computer. It can be used to play movies on our computer, so it's also an input-output device. So children, from all we have learnt so far, can any of you mention one input and one output device each? Yes, teacher. Keyboard is an input device, and monitor is an output device. Great. That's very brilliant of you, and I'm super proud of you all. On this note, we've come to the end of today's lesson. See you in our next episode, where we shall discuss the internal parts of the computer and how they helps our computers to function. Until then, you all should stay safe and always revise on what you have been taught. Bye-bye.